Hi Ian, is today your second birthday?
Birthday.
Birthday! Are you 2 years old today? Are you 2? Are you rolling the dough out with mommy? Don't touch the camera, you silly. Are you rolling the dough out? Look at you. Good job, Ian. Oh yay, mommy can reach. There you go. You flip it? Uh-oh, Aka's not being patient up there. Can you reach? Oh, barely. Hello, Monkey Buzz. Are you 2 today? Eliza, is it your birthday? Birthday. A lot of people are going to come over maybe and give you some presents. Birthday. Birthday. Yeah, your second birthday. Okay, mommy's going to put the camera off. Bye-bye. You keep baking. You're doing good. Bye-bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye. Can you say Moika?
Moika.
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 Moika, say moi moi. Moi moi.
Moi.
Moi moi. You say hey hey.
Hey hey.
Hey hey.
Hey hey.
Hey hey.